Hey there, hot tubbers. This is Brian again from Flohr Pools out of Hagerstown. And today I'm just going to go over a couple quick tips about some good filter maintenance. All right, our first tip for having good filter maintenance is we're going to want to take this thing out every 30 days roughly and give it a good rinse. Come on in. To remove this filter from the calderas, we're going to take the basket out of the top by unlocking it, pulling the assembly out, reaching inside, removing the filter. Hot spring hot tub, you're going to have multiple filters inside, and one main key tip that you're going to want to do is every 30 days when you take them out to rinse them, you're going to rotate them around. And if you bring in here, you can see what I mean. We've got 5 filters in this Envoy here, and every 30 days you're going to want to take this filter and move it over to this side and so forth. Just give it a clockwise rotation. About your Tri-X filters, which is exclusive through Hot Springs only in their High Life collection, is they're dishwasher safe. You can put these in your dishwasher on a rinse cycle. Make sure not to use any heat or detergent, but it makes for a quick rinse and it's easy maintenance for taking care of your hot tub. So after you've had your hot tub operating for about 3 or 4 months and you've rinsed your filters and you've been rotating them, you're going to want to get these guys cleaned. The best thing we have is your Spa Filter Cleanse. Came in your hot tub water care kit. You're going to dilute this down, 5 gallons of water, and you're going to go ahead and just soak those filters in individually for about 8 to 10 hours apiece. All right, so your filters are soaking in there. It's recommended that you get an extra set of filters so that way you can put clean ones in while your dirty ones are soaking overnight. And by using that method, we call it the swap out method. So every 3 or 4 months, you swap the filters out. They're going to be ready to go, and you'll get upwards of 3, 4, 5 years out of these filters. Filters from the bucket with the cleaner, you want to make sure that these are completely dry before putting them back in again. And that's it. Those are your filter maintenance tips for your hot spring and your caldera spa. Happy hot tubbing. If you have questions, please reach out to our store in Chambersburg, Hagerstown, or Martinsburg. Thanks.